The kitchen is perhaps the only place in the world where time seems to behave differently. The moment you tie your apron strings, the frantic pace of the outside world, the emails, the notifications, and the endless to-do lists starts to fade into the background. It is a sanctuary of the senses, a place where you are invited to be fully present, one ingredient at a time. There is a profound beauty in the beginning of a recipe, that quiet moment before the first flame is lit or the first bowl is filled. You look at your ingredients spread across the counter, and they look so simple, so unassuming, but in your mind you can already see the transformation. You aren't just looking at biscuits, nuts, or chocolate. You are looking at the potential for joy. Cooking is, at its heart, an act of alchemy. You are taking things that are ordinary on their own and, through a bit of heat and heart, turning them into something extraordinary. As you work, you realize that cooking is a rhythmic dance. There is the percussion of the blender, the soft bubbling of the double boiler, and the tactile satisfaction of mixing textures together until they feel just right. You learn to trust your hands more than the clock. You start to recognize the exact shade of brown that means a nut is perfectly roasted, or the specific gloss of chocolate that tells you it's ready to be poured. This connection between your senses and your tools is where the true craft lies. It's a conversation between you and the food, a series of small decisions that lead to a final, beautiful result. But beyond the techniques and the textures, cooking is a language of love and hospitality. Every culture on earth uses food to say the things that words often fail to capture. We cook to celebrate a victory, to offer comfort during a loss, or simply to show someone that we were thinking of them. When you stand in your kitchen making something special, you are part of a lineage that stretches back through centuries of grandmothers, chefs, and home cooks, who all understood one fundamental truth. Feeding someone is an act of grace. There is also a wonderful freedom in the kitchen. It is one of the few places where we are allowed, and even encouraged, to play. You can follow a recipe to the letter, or you can let your intuition guide you, adding a little more of this or a drizzle more of that. Each dish becomes a reflection of your personality, a little piece of your story told through flavor. Even the mistakes are just lessons in disguise, often leading to a new favorite way of doing things. The real reward, however, isn't just the final bite. It's the atmosphere you create. It's the way the air in your home changes as it fills with warm, sweet, or savory aromas. It's the anticipation that builds as you wait for a tray to set or a cake to rise. And finally, there is that golden moment of sharing. Whether you're filming a video for thousands of people to see or just handing a treat to a friend, you are offering a piece of yourself. You are inviting them to experience the care, the patience, and the passion you poured into that dish.